In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if your PayPal account is verified, step by step. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the official PayPal website. Take a quick moment to confirm you're on the correct secure site. You should see the padlock icon in the address bar, and the URL should be the PayPal domain. This helps protect your account and keeps your information safe. On the PayPal homepage, look to the top right corner and click Login. Enter your email address and password, then select Login again. Be sure you're using a trusted device and network, and avoid saving your credentials on shared or public computers. Once you're signed in and viewing your dashboard, find the settings icon. It looks like a small gear, usually located in the upper right area of the page near your profile options. Click that gear to open your account settings. Inside settings, make sure you're on the account tab at the top. This section shows your key account details, including your email information. Take a careful look at the email area under the account section. If you don't see any warnings, alerts, or prompts asking you to verify your email or add missing information, that means your PayPal account is already verified. A verified account typically comes with fewer limitations and enhanced security, which can make sending, receiving, and withdrawing money smoother and more reliable. Here's an important note. If your account is not verified, PayPal will usually make it very clear. You'll likely see a message prompting you to confirm your email, link a bank account, or add and confirm a card. These prompts are there to help you complete verification and increase your account's trust and functionality. If you choose to proceed with any of those prompts, PayPal will guide you through the process on screen. Always follow the instructions carefully and complete them only within your authenticated PayPal session. If you run into any issues, maybe something doesn't load correctly or you're unsure about a message, visit PayPal's Help Center from the website footer or within your account. You can browse support articles or reach out to customer support for assistance. Using the official Help Center ensures you're getting accurate guidance, and they can help resolve verification or account display problems. That's all you need to check whether your PayPal account is verified. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PayPal tips and tutorials.